What are the recommended spare parts to carry if you're running several boards, such as on a large yacht? Hi, I'm Rui from JETSURF, and sometimes we get asked what spare parts should be carried if you're running several boards, such as on a large yacht. Here is a list of some of the spare parts that may be required to replace and are board specific. Complete board screw set, control handle, engine shut-off key, spare side and main fins, straps and pads, starter motor, ICU, wiring harness, ignition coil, general spark plugs, and most importantly, a cleaning attachment for the back of the board. These are the recommended spare parts if you're running multiple JETSURF boards, such as on a large yacht.